Today we will learn adding fraction using butterfly method. For example, 5 by 3 plus 7 by 2. They are unlike fractions. Why? Because their denominators are different. So we will use butterfly method to do addition. So 5 and 2. 5 times 2 is 10. 3 and 7. So 3 times 7 is 21 plus 21. And the denominator will be 3 times 2. 3 times 2 is 6. 10 plus 21 is equal to 31 by 6. So how do we get 10? Let's recall the process. How do we get 10? We multiplied the first fraction numerator with the second fraction's denominator plus 21. We multiplied the second fraction's numerator with the first fraction's denominator. We get 21. And the denominator of this 6, how we get 6? 3 times 2, 6. How do we get 6 as the denominator? We multiplied both the denominators of the fraction. See, 3 times 2, 6. We got 6. Now, we simply added 10 plus 21 is equal to 31 by 6. Therefore, 5 by 3 plus 7 by 2 is equal to 31 by 6. This is our answer. Why we tell this butterfly method? Because we see the drawing. It looks like butterfly. So we named it as butterfly method. So it's simply, we just need to multiply and then do the addition. So it's a very easy process. You can do this for adding fractions. In the next video, we will learn how to subtract fractions using butterfly method. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please like, share and subscribe Math Only Math for more videos. Thank you.